The bottom line is that students don't know what they don't know, and it's our job to help expose students to the world in which they live. And so as elementary school students, how do they start to understand what are the different opportunities that exist out there? So a few years ago we started the Guaranteed Field Trips, and it was really a way to provide equity of experiences for students. Every kid is going to get to explore learning, place-based learning in a way that's connected back to their curriculum in the school building. The Magic House is what we designed for second grade. BizTown was already happening at some of our buildings for fifth grade students, but not all of them. Those were two of the field trips that came out of that design process, and they have really given students the opportunity to go deeper in exploring not just careers, but who they are.
I think it's a little overwhelming at first because they're like, what do I do when I get there? But once they're in it, they're so engaged the whole time. Just being able to identify, like, this is what I'm good at, this is what I really like, and then they kind of take that ownership of that skill at a young age, and that can kind of build as they get older.
With how fast the world changes, it's really cool for kids to just see what's out there. So it's not like it's just like, okay, here's the big jobs that make the big money. It's like, here's an opportunity for everyone. And so it's a place for every kid to see themselves in a different light and figure out what works for them. And then if they didn't like it, then they're like, wait, I really liked what I saw my friend doing, and then they'll look more into that. I feel like everything we do kind of goes back to, like, how can this relate to me in the real world?
And I think it's really important that kids start to understand who they are. I mean, one of the key social emotional learning elements is self-awareness. I want our students to know who they are, what they're good at, what they're interested in, and exposing them to different career opportunities is one way to start that process. If we can expose them to the different opportunities, they get excited thinking about their future. They get excited thinking about how what they learn connects to something else.